I think, no, with due respect to former President Duterte, minsan kailangan lang na i-decipher kasi ganun din, even when he was president, sometimes like he would make candid jokes, tapos nakakalimutan niya na kaakibat ng kanyang stature ay opisyal, no, yung kanyang nagiging statement. So, yes, medyo kailangang ilugar yung ibang mga jokes. But on the context of tama ba o hindi ba, although karapatan niya yon, baka nagpapatawa siya, pero yung bigger impact kasi is not good. Because whether you are supportive of the administration or you are against the administration, ang importante doon, as former president, titingnan mo, ano ba ang iyong responsibilidad sa bawat katagang ilalabas mo? Dahil bawat katagang ilalabas mo, iisipin mo as former president, may impact yan sa taong bayan. So if you look at all the other former presidents, kaakibat ng bawat pananalita nila ay yung accountability and responsibility. So siguro nasanay lang si PRRD na mag-joke. Pero if you look at former President Erap Estrada, FVR, the late Pinoy, even our colleague here, former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, yung kanilang mga personal na jokes ay hindi nila sinasabi sa publiko. At kung meron silang mga personal na pananaw, they would make it sure that they would release diplomatic statements kasi kaakibat na yan nung iyong pagkatao dahil ikaw ay former president of a country. Even in other countries, sabihin natin sa Amerika, pag nagsasalita si President Barack Obama, medyo minsan pag nag-criticize siya sa gobyerno, linalagay niya sa tuwid. Parang may basis ka talaga. So, yan lang yung, sana medyo mabago ito. Kasi pwede siyang naging nakakatawa dun sa mga kaharap mo, pero dahil pag lumabas siya sa general public through media, iba yung dating. And statements like that can actually diminish the respect of other countries to our country. Hindi ang pagkatao ni President BBM ang natetainte. Ang nababastos yung pagkatao ng buong Pilipinas, ang Pilipino.